Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to add highlights to your letters. There's also a bonus in the end, so stay tuned. Let's start with the pens we are going to use. So here this is the Sakura jelly roll, the white colored one, and this is a 0.5 tip. This is another product which can be used, the Uni-ball Signo 0.7 tip, and it is a hard decision on which one to pick. So if you are planning on buying one of these white pens, it's totally your preference, because 0.7 Sakura jelly roll can give really detailed highlights where you can, even the minutest details can be added with this. The 0.7 tip of Signo ball is a bit thick, and this I feel is more consistent. So first, if you're planning on buying one of these, I can give you a quick scratch test. So here you can clearly see that you can get really thin lines with the Sakura jelly roll, but the Uni-ball gives really thick and intense lines and dots. So it depends. Suppose you want to give really thin lines and thin strokes and very minute, like suppose you want to give minute stars on your letters, you can always go for the Sakura jelly roll. But I prefer the Signo Uni-ball because I really want these intense white strokes. Let's start with how to add highlights to your letters. So in this one, I'll be adding just straight lines for the highlight. So here you can see, like, I've added highlights only on the downstrokes. Always highlights are added to the downstrokes. Here I will be adding a tiny streak of line with a dot. In this one, I will be adding a line, a dot, and another line. And usually I keep the highlights on the left end. So here I will show how it would be on the right end. So in such cases, I can actually continue it here too. Yeah. So either the highlights have to be on the left side on the downstroke or on the right. So if it's on the right, it means that the light is falling from the right. If it's on the left, we assume that the light is falling from the left. Here I will be adding square highlights, like an L-shaped highlight. Now in this case, I have given a L-shaped highlight. However, here I gave a curved highlight, mainly because this stroke has an L shape, but here the stroke is overturning over here, so you can't give an L shape right here. So you have to see the physics of your letters too. Here I will be I'll be showing you a combination of L shape and the dots. So here it goes. And the last one, I will show you how to add a bit broad, like suppose you really want thicker highlights and it has to show up, not just little lines. Such cases, you draw a L shape and fill that. So here you can see that the highlight is more intense than the other highlights. So yeah, so normally if you go for really bigger letters and which have a really thick downstroke, you can make these more thick and give it a better pop to those letters. The previous styles that I had told you were lines and dots. So you don't have to stop there, you can experiment more, you can try different things. So in this step, I'm using the Sakura jelly roll. Instead of sticking to dots and all that, let's try some stars. So here what I'm doing is on the downstrokes, on the top portion, I'm adding a couple of stars. And you can also add a few stars over here. And a few little mini stars around. I'm just having some fun with this heart here. You can add more stars, more little stars, bigger stars. You can also use the Uni-ball pen to give a few bigger stars here. So I'm adding few on the letters too. So you can use a combination of both the pens. The Uni-ball one can give you bigger stars. The jelly rolls can give you small little stars. So it's your preference on which pen you would like to choose. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Do check out my other video on shadows. Yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.